Welcome back to Summarize Science. Today, we're looking at a fascinating challenge. How do you get a drone to follow a target at night? Standard cameras struggle in low light, and the images they capture are often noisy, blurry, and filled with confusing shadows. Previous attempts to solve this involved either artificially brightening the image, which can create new problems, or using methods that are too slow for a fast-moving drone. But researchers have now developed a new system called MATrack, designed specifically for these tough conditions. Instead of just one simple trick, MATrack is a full system with three core components that work together. First, the multiscale hierarchy blender cleverly combines the original image of the target with an updated, dynamic one. This helps it remember what the target is supposed to look like, even if its appearance changes slightly. Next, the adaptive key token gate acts like a smart filter. It's brilliant at figuring out which parts of the image are the actual target and which are just distracting background clutter. This dramatically reduces the chances of the drone getting confused and tracking the wrong thing. Finally, the nighttime template calibrator handles updates intelligently. It has a quality control mechanism that only updates the drone's view of the target when it has a clear, high-quality image, preventing the system from being corrupted by bad information. So, how well does it actually work? Looking at this chart, you can see dozens of different tracking methods plotted by their speed and their precision. You want to be in the top right corner, fast and accurate. And right there at the top is MATrack, outperforming all the others. It achieves an incredible 81 frames per second, which is more than double the threshold for real-time performance. Across multiple difficult nighttime benchmarks, MATrack consistently sets new state-of-the-art records for accuracy. On the challenging UAV Dark 135 dataset, it surpassed the previous best tracker by a significant margin in every key metric. You can even see the difference in these side-by-side comparisons. While other trackers lose the object or get distracted, MATrack stays locked on. The researchers didn't just stop at simulations, they deployed it on a real-world drone. The results show its tracking error remained consistently low, proving its reliability in a practical setting. So, to recap, MATrack is a new AI system that makes nighttime drone tracking faster and more accurate than ever before. It achieves this by being a complete system that intelligently blends information, filters out noise, and carefully manages how it updates its view of the target. The implications for this are huge. This could lead to far more effective drones for critical missions like nighttime search and rescue, border patrol, or automated security. It's a major step forward in making robotic vision systems reliable, no matter the time of day.